And welcome to today's Assistive Technology Transition Training video. Today, we will be covering increased independence in household and laundry tasks. But first, what is FAAST? The Florida Alliance for Assistive Services and Technology, also known as FAAST, has regional demonstration centers which provide services to increase awareness, access, and acquisition of assistive technology for all Floridians. Assistive technology can be defined as any item, piece of equipment, or product system, whether acquired commercially, off the shelf, modified, or customized, that is used to increase, maintain, or improve functional capabilities of a child with a disability. Public Law 101476. There is a wide range of AT device categories, such as activities of daily living, adaptive toys and games, communication, computer access, environmental access, mobility, and seating and positioning. At Atlantic Regional Demonstration Center, we serve Orange, Seminole, Volusia, and Brevard counties. We provide trainings, demonstrations, and information and device loans. We're located at 3280 Progress Drive in Suite 250 at Orlando, Florida 32826. Our email is atlanticrdc@fastinc.org. To review our objectives for this video, this is a transition training for individuals using assistive technology who are transitioning to a more independent lifestyle. We will cover various types of assistive devices and items to increase independence in laundry and household tasks. So what is AT in household and laundry tasks? Assistive technology for laundry and household tasks includes tools and devices that support individuals in completing everyday home routines with increased independence, safety, and efficiency. These tasks may include managing clothing after laundry, dressing and fastening clothing, transferring laundry safely, and completing these household routines independently. First up, we have the VV Dressing Aid. What is it? It's a pocket-sized dressing multi-tool that includes a zipper pull, a small and large button hook, and a closed-loop buttoner. The folding tools create compact storage, and the quick-release hand strap is used for added grip and control. For laundry and household use, it is great for buttoning shirts or pants after laundry, zipping clothing, and managing fasteners. How does it support independence? It reduces fine motor demands for buttons and zippers and supports independent dressing after laundry tasks. Similar to the previous item, the Parsons acrylic handle button hook is an easy-to-clean acrylic button hook. The high contrast red ends are better for visibility and control. It is compact and portable, and it also has a large loop designed for coats and heavier garments. This helps fasten buttons on shirts, sweaters, and jackets after laundry. How does it support independence? It improves grip and control and reduces frustration with small buttons, but also promotes independence with clothing management. Next up, you have the Reacher and Grabber tool. The task that it supports is picking up clothes from the floor and transferring laundry from the washer to the dryer. How does this support independence? It reduces the bending and physical strain of moving clothes and improves safety during household tasks. It also supports independence for the laundry completion. Finally, we have visual and talking timers. The tasks supported include remembering when laundry cycles are complete and managing time during multi-step household routines. How does it support independence? It provides visual or auditory reminders without verbal prompting, supports individuals with memory, attention, or executive functioning challenges, and helps users independently sequence tasks, such as washing, then drying, and then putting away the clothes. Thank you for watching today's video. And if you think you or a loved one could benefit from assistive technology, or if you would like to learn more about what we have to offer, please contact the FAAST Center via email at atlanticrdc@fastinc.org. And please note, the FAAST Center is by appointment only. If you would like to make an appointment with us or have any questions, please send us an email and we will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you and have a wonderful day.